Hey there, foodies! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into a delicious and easy-to-make dish. Sweet and sour chicken. This mouth-watering recipe is perfect for a quick weeknight dinner or a weekend family feast. So, let's get started. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need -1.5 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs, cut into bite-sized pieces. 1/2 cup of cornstarch, -1/2 cup of soy sauce. 1/2 cup of ketchup, -1/2 cup of water. 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, -2 tablespoons of white vinegar. 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, -1 tablespoon of minced ginger. 1 large green bell pepper, sliced, -1 large red bell pepper, sliced. 1 large yellow bell pepper, sliced. 1 large onion, sliced. Now, first, heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Add the chicken pieces and cook until they're browned and cooked through. While the chicken is cooking, in a large bowl, whisk together the cornstarch, soy sauce, ketchup, water, brown sugar, vinegar, garlic, and ginger. Once the chicken is cooked, transfer it to a plate and set it aside. In the same skillet, add 2 tablespoons of oil and heat it over medium-high heat. Add the bell peppers and onions and cook until they're tender and slightly charred. Now, add the chicken back to the skillet, along with the sauce mixture. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to low and simmer for 5 minutes, or until the sauce thickens. And there you have it, a scrumptious sweet and sour chicken dish that's sure to please everyone at the table. We hope you enjoy this recipe as much as we do. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes and cooking tips. Thanks for joining us, and happy cooking!